Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca Grace and today we're going to be talking about having YouTube videos autoplay and loop on your Squarespace website. Some people like to use GIFs on their website, but I find if you have a lot of these on one page, they can be a very big size, which will slow down your website. So I like to actually use YouTube videos that I have autoplay and loop to showcase different things I want on my site. So for example, on my Works page, I have some videos. So if we go to the page that we want to change, you'll notice I've created a little My Work page here. And so I have Explore with Ella, which is a website I created, and a Wainfleet Fall Fair website. And I have videos on the site rather than GIFs to help with the loading time of the page. However, they don't play, so somebody has to click on them in order for it to play through the YouTube video. Then it usually shows some advertisements for videos that you can click on afterwards and things like that. I'd much rather have the video start as soon as they get on the page and then just keep playing through my video rather than show them options for other videos they can then play afterwards. So if we click on edit, okay, how I did this is you click on where you want the video to be added and then you click on the video block. Okay, so I have my video already installed here, so I'm just going to click edit so you can see what it's like. So what I did is I just copied the YouTube link in here to show that video. But if I want this to autoplay and loop, we're going to do this a little bit differently. So instead of putting your link here, okay, you're actually going to click on this code icon there and copy and paste the following code. Now instead of these stars here, these asterisks, you're going to put in the letters that personalize it for your video. So my Explore with Ella video here, if I go to the YouTube video Explore with Ella, you'll notice that I have some letters and numbers here to represent this video. So you'll see between the equal sign and the and sign, you'll see a bunch of letters. So we're going to copy those, just those, and you're going to replace the asterisks with your letters and numbers for your video. Click Set and Apply and Save. And you'll notice that the video starts right away, and as soon as the video is done, it's going to loop back through the video and just keep going. And again, this is a way to avoid having to do a GIF or other things that would increase your page load time, but also then you're not showcasing other videos after yours. They don't have to click on anything. It automatically starts to play. So again, you go to Edit, either add a video block by clicking here, or click where you already have your video. Instead of putting the link here, you're going to copy and paste the code below this video and just replace the asterisks with the letters and numbers that represent your video. Set, apply, save. And that is how you have a YouTube video autoplay and loop on your Squarespace website.